Hey guys, have you ever wondered how to block logins or take your system offline for maintenance? Well, this Q tip is for you. This is Tim with the Q. All right, so log into your PDM administration tool, right click on your vault, click properties, and then the screen that pops up, you see a button here that says block logins. Now there's one distinction to make here. Blocking logins will stop any new logins as of right now. So if I click that, then that means that anybody else who tries to log in after right now won't be able to. They'll get a message that says the system is locked for administration or maintenance. If I'm already logged into the PDM, I go down here to my vault and I look at here, log off of demo PDM, you can see I'm already logged in. So I'm able to continue working. I'm able to continue doing the work that I need to do, changing state, working on files. That's no problem. So again, this block logins stops any new logins. Let's log off and see the message that the users would get. So then my PDM goes away. I fire it up again. I'm going to get a message that says, could not log into the database on this server because the system is locked due to maintenance. There you go. So if you warn your users that system is going to be down for maintenance, you're going to be implementing a different workflow, you're going to be adding data card functionality, and I do recommend doing this in a sandbox environment first. That's supposed to be a hint. This is how you would do it. Now, if you're wanting to kick everybody out, that's going to be on a different Q tip. So thanks for watching. Believe in the Q.